Hello everybody, welcome. I'm Amy Swanson of June Cashmere and I'm here to show you our holiday kit bag. It's a one skein kit in our DK weight cashmere or camel. And let's just get right to it. I'll show you what's in here. So it comes packaged already in this fun little brown craft paper bag with a window. You open it up, you have the one skein of DK weight yarn, and you get to choose between cashmere and camel, and you get to choose the color. Then the rest of the goodies are the coupon for the recipient to download the pattern. So there's a special page they go to and they see all six of the patterns they get to choose from, and then there's a code for them to remove the charges and download the digital version of the pattern. They get a great little notepad that has our native goat in Kurdistan that produces the cashmere yarn. It's a nice substantial little, has lots of pages, this little notebook. They get a stitch marker, so we'll open it up so you can see, but the stitch marker is another fun package to open, and it's a little glassine bag. And then inside is our stitch marker. So that's pretty fun. It's also the goat from Kurdistan. And then they get our little fun card that is meant to post on a fridge or on your bulletin board or wherever that reminds the story that the cashmere is sourced from Kurdistan, that we work directly with the shepherds, and the camel, in the new mill that was established, it allowed sourcing of the camel in surrounding countries to be processed in the mill. So it's a meaningful, fun package for your favorite knitter, and they get to knit a project they can wear and love. And here are the projects that they're going to choose from. They have 3 different mitts. So you can knit a pair of the lattice mitts, or the journey mitts, or the pebbles mitts, or they have 2 hats to choose from: the deco hat, the Naren hat, or a cowl, the all-day cowl. So they get to choose the pattern, you choose the yarn and color. If you choose camel, there are 5 colors to choose from, and there's photos right on the link, right on the website page that's linked to the YouTube video. So 5 different colors there. The price point for the camel kit is $44. The price point for the cashmere kit is $54. And then with the cashmere, you get to choose from an array of colors. There's something for everyone. All the colors have pictures on the site. But there's greens and blues and reds and neutrals and pinks and orange and yellows and plums, and yeah, it's all there. So remember that we pay for your shipping at orders of $75 or more. So 2 kits get you free shipping and 2 amazing, meaningful, beautiful gifts for knitters. So happy holidays, everybody. Yeah, the kits are available only for a couple of weeks, so jump on it. Plus, shipping is taking a little longer, so the sooner the better, and we're getting these out the door right away. So thanks, everybody.